Hello and welcome once again to the Rugged Rockhound. It is time to finish off that cutting spree I did all in one day, 5 different videos. This is actually number 5. So this will be the last cutting video probably from this location because we'll be in Rexburg by now. Well, anyway, let's dive into it and see what we find. First off, we've got one of these from the yellow cat area. It's kind of like replaced. The barite got replaced. And, okay, yeah, I seem to remember cutting these and them not being very great. Alright, here's another rock from a subscriber. I believe it's called Unakite. And looks nice. Looks like the others. Here's another fossil rock that one of my subscribers gave me. Nice. Okay, here's another one of those agate geode-like nodules that one of my subscribers gave me. And, oh, that's nice. Oh, cool. There's a lot going on in that. Here, we're getting a little bit of shadow. I need to rotate this a little bit. Okay, that's a little better. Nice. Here's another agate that was given to me by one of my subscribers. Unfortunately, it shattered a fair bit. But it looks nice on the inside. Look at that. It's a good agate. I just wish it stayed together a little better. Another San Rafael Swell jasper nodule. It broke a little bit on this side. And, ooh, this one's got some good red agate in it. Oh, that's cool. This is a nice green limb cast that one of my subscribers gave me. I've been thinking about cutting it, and I decided to go ahead and cut it. And, okay, it's really nice. The green on the inside's really cool, but it's definitely a cast because you can see how it doesn't really have any of the wood structure. Still, it's a neat thing. Here we have a nice piece of petrified wood from Nevada. Oh yeah, look at that. That's nice. Yeah, the area that you find this, I think they call it bogwood. But it's neat stuff. Here we have a nice little Dugway geode. Yep. Classic. And to end it all off, here we have a nice little agate that one of my subscribers sent me. I can see this red right here. And, it's like this little splotch of red there. And it looks like we cut through a little formation there. Maybe like a stalactitic growth or something that went through it, maybe. Yeah, that's cool. And that's it for this cutting video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you've enjoyed these little cutting videos that I just kind of post every now and then. And signing off, I think, from this place. Next cutting video will be in Rexburg. Rock hounding season, here we come.